Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's video, I'm going to explain how we can create third-party payment method. In previous video, I explained how we can create third parties. In this video, I'm going to create third-party payment method. So what is a third-party payment method? A third-party payment is a payment you make an organization create third-party payment method for third-party person or external organization. So let's move on to the application. Under the My Client group, click on the Payroll option and then click on the third-party organization payment method. The organization could be a court, labor union, or a pension provider or a person not on the payroll. So for existing one, search by the party name, organization payment method, or legislative data group. Then for creating new one, click on the create option, select the legislative data group. And then continue the process. Here select the third party name. So we already created a third party in our previous video. So I select the name, then select the organization payment method. I select here check, and if you want to select the direct deposit, you can select. Then what is the payment roller? Third-party payment roller process to consolidate multiple payments made to a third party and generate a single payment. This process is optional. Some parties may want an individual check per payment. For example, the UK requires that deduction from earning orders such as a child maintenance payment be sent as a separate transaction. So select the exclude from higher third-party payment roller process checkbox to exclude the third-party payee from the third-party roller process, and then click on the save option and then click on the submit option. So this is how we create the third-party payment method. So let's search. So this is the third-party payment method we just created. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.